Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make my favorite tacos de papa y queso. In case you guys want to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for the recipe we're going to need corn tortillas, 4 potatoes, queso Oaxaca, queso fresco, 3 New Mexico or Guajillo chile pods, 1 garlic clove, a half of a small white onion diced, and all of our spices that I will link in the description box. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alrighty guys, so first we're going to begin by cooking our potatoes. So we're going to grab our pot, we're going to set it on medium-high heat, and we're going to throw in our potatoes. Make sure that you give them a good rinse. Okay, now we're just going to cover our potatoes with water. And I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of salt. So now we're just going to cook our potatoes until they're nice and soft. Alright guys, so after an hour, our potatoes should be nice and soft. Okay, so we're just going to remove them from the water. So turn off the water as well. And in the same water, we're going to cook our chile guajillos. Okay, and I'm also adding 2 chile de árbol. So we're just going to leave them in there for about 5 minutes. Okay, so after 5 minutes, we're going to transfer our chiles into our blender cup. And we're also going to use 3/4 of a cup of our water. Okay, so now we're ready to make our sauce. Okay, so to our blender cup, we're also going to add our garlic clove, along with all of our spices and a little bit of salt. So now we're just going to blend until we have a smooth sauce. Alright, so once we have our sauce, now we are ready to blend it in with our potatoes. Alrighty, so we're going to peel our potatoes, and this should be very easy to peel. Okay, so once you have your potato, just transfer it into a bowl. Alright, so once we have our potatoes are nice and peeled, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of butter, and we're going to smash them down. Alright, so once we have our potatoes are nice and smashed, we're going to throw in our diced onion, along with our queso Oaxaca. And the queso Oaxaca, I just cut into large chunks. And you're just going to add as much as you want. So just mix it. Okay, and now we're going to add our chile sauce. And strain if you need to. Okay, so now just mix it all together. Alright, so once everything is combined, try it for salt. For me, it's perfect. Let me tell you that it's delicious. So now we are ready to make our tacos. Alright, so now we're going to grab a small frying pan. We're going to set it on medium heat, and we're going to add 1/4 cup of oil. So we're just going to wait for that to heat up, and meanwhile, we can warm up our tortillas. Okay, so I have my comal here, and I have it set on medium heat. So I'm just going to place my tortillas, and I'm just going to soften them. And of course, if you don't want to use your comal, you can use the microwave. So we're just going to get them nice and soft. Okay, so once they're nice and soft, we're going to remove them from the heat. We're going to add our potato and cheese filling. Fold it, and now we're ready to fry them. So we're going to fry until they're nice and golden. Alright, so once the side is nice and golden, flip it over and fry the other side. Alright, so once they're nice and golden on both sides, we're going to remove them from the oil. And this is my favorite part. All the cheese. Alrighty guys, so once we have our taquitos are nice and fried, now we are ready for the fun part. So we're going to grab our taquito, we're going to open it, and we're going to stuff it with our queso fresco. And I just added chopped onion and chopped cilantro. So just open them. Okay, now I'm going to add some lettuce. Sour cream. Just going to cover it with some more lettuce. Some tomatoes. My favorite roasted tomatillo salsa. And of course, some crema mexicana. And I like to serve these tacos with some sopita. So there you go. We are ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Alright, so here I have my taquitos, and like I said, I like to serve it with a sopita. So here I have it. And let me tell you guys that this plate like this, it brings so much memories to me and my family. It's so simple, yet it's so delicious, so flavorful, and also very affordable. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. So cheers. Seriously, the best. Super delicious, so flavorful. The potato, the cheese, everything, it's so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make my favorite tacos de papa y queso. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Thank you.